आलिया भट्ट, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, दीपिका पादुकोण, सोनम कपूर। बॉलीवुड की हॉट गर्ल्स खुद को क्रॉप टॉप से नहीं कर पा रही हैं दूर। पार्टीज हो या रेड कार्पेट, बॉलीवुड हीरोइंस के स्टाइल कोशेंट को क्रॉप टॉप्स बना रहे हैं परफेक्ट। कोई दिख रही है कूल तो कोई नजर आ रही है हॉट। हीरोइंस जैसे हो गई हैं obsessed with crop tops.
Simi, time now for a hot shot, which is the hot crop this week.
Absolutely, and I'm loving it, and it's quite interesting to see कि हमारी जो heroines हैं पतली हैं या पतली नहीं हैं, they are carrying it with complete elan.
So for Alia Bhatt, which one gets a thumbs up? The one with the jacket or one without?
Well, I think the one with the jacket is okay, so I wouldn't give it my thumbs up. But the crop top जहाँ पे उन्होंने leather skirt पहनी है, I really like it because आजकल leather look is really in, and I like the crop top look there. So that one definitely gets a thumbs up from me.
And do you think Sonakshi is doing justice to the style? दो occasions में उन्हें देखा गया crop top पहने हुए.
बिल्कुल, you know, I mean, सोनाक्षी हमारी curvy actress जानी जाती हैं, and लोग यही सोचेंगे कि जो crop tops हैं वो बिल्कुल slim figured girls के लिए होते हैं. And when I caught glimpses of Sonakshi in crop tops, I was really impressed. But if you ask me, I prefer the one where she's wearing that pleated skirt. And अगर आप देख रही हैं तो उन्होंने बिल्कुल high waisted bottoms पहने हैं. That's a very clever way of camouflaging, you know, the wrongs and showing off the good parts of her body. It's very nicely worn. But if you ask me, the thumbs up goes to the one where she's wearing the pleated skirt. But I would give a thumbs down to the other, you know, the fan print thing she's wearing, simply because, you know, simply not because she's wearing the crop top. That's looking really nice. But सोनाक्षी ये print दो बार repeat कर चुकी हैं. एक बार पहले भी उन्होंने lime green में पहना था और ये दोबारा उन्होंने वो print repeat किया है. Even if she's enjoying it so much, she has to remember that she's a diva and people follow her.
And what about Deepika and Priyanka?
I think they have beautiful slender bodies and उन्हें ये पता है कि हम जो भी पहने हम अच्छी तरह पहन सकते हैं. तो अगर आप दीपिका, प्रियंका and even सोनम कपूर अगर आप इनको देख रही हो तो दीपिका छोटे छोटे ऊंचे ऊंचे क्रॉप टॉप्स पहन रही हैं because she knows that she can carry it off with complete confidence. Likewise अगर आप प्रियंका को देखती हैं तो वो काफ़ी बार क्रॉप टॉप्स में दिख रही हैं. Again, her crop tops are really short. She can wear them with jeans, she can wear them with skirts, she can just about wear them with anything else. Likewise with Sonam Kapoor, ये तीनों लड़कियों ने बहुत ही confidence के साथ crop tops पहने हैं. I wish that all the girls could wear them with so much of poise, and it's a complete thumbs up for all three girls.